Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
What a beautiful day here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
I've got to agree, Mr. Gainey. It sure is a beautiful day.
We wonder what will happen today.
Uh-oh. What do you want now?
This is Keir Starmer and I would like to tell you something. Today is the 5th of November and there will be a familiar face appearing in the festivities. If you don't remember the movie called V for Vendetta, there is the character V. He's played by Hugo.
What do you think you're doing?
Keir Starmer was on the phone and he was talking about the movie V for Vendetta. But Casper Ackerman interrupted him before he could finish his sentence.
No. I don't want to hear anything else from you. Get out, now.
The M45 in Coventry, England.
Keir Starmer said that V from V for Vendetta will make her appearance on Bonfire Night.
You have never seen V for Vendetta.
I have to agree, Tommy Smith.
What are you talking about, Tommy Smith and Zane Maloney? Are you trying to tell me that I've never seen V for Vendetta?
Watch out!
No!
We're interrupting our...
Enough!
We interrupt your program to bring you breaking news. A multi-car pile-up has occurred on the M45 in Coventry. Police say that the incident started when a car swerved to avoid a collision with a lorry, which caused the crash to occur. The crash is connected to V from V for Vendetta and involved 6 other vehicles. The M45 has been closed as a result of the accident. We now return to your program.
Well, look who's talking.
Oh no. That doesn't look good.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am V, and I am the title character in V for Vendetta.
What? You can't really be serious.
V for Vendetta has the Houses of Parliament being destroyed, and I figured that I would do it again on Bonfire Night 2024.
Uh-oh. What do you want now? I said good day!
Wait a minute. I thought someone was on the phone, but Mr. Wonka had to interrupt you. Is he out of his mind?
That may be true, Julie. But Mr. Wonka had a reputation for yelling at Grandpa Joe in Wonka and the Chocolate Factory from 1971.
You know what? You're right. I'm beginning to think that V will get his revenge for the crash on the M45. Am I right?
No, you don't seem to understand. The crash on the M45 wasn't even my fault. What makes you think that I'm being held responsible for it?
Don't play games with us, V. Me and Julie know what you did.
I've got a surprise for Julie, and it involves fireworks.
Oh no. Not fireworks. I'm frightened of them.
Since today is Bonfire Night, I thought it would be fun if I ignited a firework for you. Let me show you.
Julie follows V to the driveway. When they get there,
this is where I will ignite my firework. It's going to be loud, so you better prepare yourself.
Oh no. That frightened me.
I did frighten you with my firework, Julie. If you'll excuse me, I have to go to the scene of the crash on the M45.
when V arrives at the scene,
You're not meant to come here.
I don't care what you say. I'm going to deal with the driver.
No!
the Houses of Parliament, England.
All right, listen up. I've got a diabolical plan in store for you.
Get out!
But why did you have to deny V approval to explain the plan?
It would not be fair for V to explain his plan to the government. And we know that he blew up Parliament.
No, V did not blow up Parliament. V for Vendetta is the movie where you can see the destruction in action.
That may be true, Christian Mansell, but today is the 419th anniversary of the gun. I do not want to talk to you anymore.
Luton, England.
I heard that V is planning to destroy Parliament.
I do not get why V would destroy Parliament. I am worried about him.
I know, Julie. This is not what Parliament was expecting at all.
Guys, I have breaking news.
What do you think you're doing? I was talking to Hong Mei.
The Houses of Parliament are in danger of being destroyed. V from V for Vendetta has placed numerous bombs inside the building.
That's not what I wanted to hear. We have been fearing that this would happen.
V has said that his plan would teach himself a lesson for causing an explosion on the M45 in Coventry. When the bombs go off, the Houses of Parliament will be destroyed.
Oh no. That doesn't look good.
Is there anything we can do to stop V?
I'm afraid there is nothing you can do. V has placed numerous bombs inside the Houses of Parliament and they will explode in the next few minutes.
Oh dear. I'm scared. What do you think I should do?
You will need to head for the Houses of Parliament and talk to V.
Julie goes to the Houses of Parliament. When she gets there.
Oh no. That doesn't look good.
This is the moment you've been waiting for. I have placed numerous bombs inside the Houses of Parliament and they will explode in the next few minutes. When they do, it will be the best bonfire night you've ever had in your life. Now, surrender to me.
No!
You have failed me for the last time.
No!
Oh no. That was a horrible nightmare. I've got to tell Hong Mei.
Are you alright?
No. I'm not alright.
Oh dear. Poor Julie. What's wrong?
I had a nightmare about V from V for Vendetta. It began when he frightened me with a firework, and caused an explosion on a motorway. He proceeded to place bombs inside the Houses of Parliament to teach himself a lesson. He told me to surrender, but I refused. The bombs exploded, and the Houses of Parliament were destroyed.
What? You can't really be serious.
And now I can't get to sleep over what happened.
I really do feel sorry for you, Julie.
No. I don't want to hear anything else from you. Get out, now.